Qigong for complete health and healing, Steelman Qigong. Have you ever wished there was a simple daily practice that could heal illnesses directly and restore complete health? There is, and it's called the Steelman Qigong Exercise. Julia's son struggled for years with a long list of health problems. What she discovered changed her life and the lives of many others in ways she never thought possible. Steelman Qigong is part of the life energy exercise system. It's an ancient Daoist healing method with a history going back over 1,000 years. And it's not just for maintaining health. It's designed for complete health restoration. The origins. Over 1,400 years ago, in China's Tang Dynasty, an early form of this exercise was already practiced in Daoist temples and the imperial court. Over time, other public Qigong sets appeared, like Ba Duan Jin, 8 Brocades, I Jing Jin, Tinden Classic, and Wu Qin Shi, 5 Animals. But none matched Steelman Qigong's ability to directly heal illnesses. How it works. This practice follows the natural laws of energy, connecting human life energy with nature's universal energy. The body has a network of meridians that transport energy to every organ and cell. The Steelman Qigong exercise clears blockages, aligns the spine, and rebalances internal organs. When the energy flows freely, the body can heal itself, not just manage symptoms, but truly restore complete health. Why it matters? Think of the body like a well-used machine. Over time, parts wear down. Without care, people may develop pain, fatigue, weight imbalance, sleep issues, or heart problems. And strenuous workouts designed for the young can actually harm older bodies. Steelman Qigong is different. It's gentle, safe, and effective for all ages, yet powerful enough to heal chronic conditions and renew vitality. A true story. Mr. Zhang grew up in deep poverty and was a sickly child with congenital heart problems and other illnesses. At just 7, he started begging for food. When he was a teenager, a Daoist priest taught him this secret exercise for his health. He practiced every single day. The result? He completely healed his ailments and lived in good health to the age of 103, a true testament to the power of Qigong for complete health and healing. Julia's son's experience. Julia's son learned and practiced Steelman Qigong while struggling with her own serious health problems. Through consistent practice, she restored her health and later taught this exercise to many others. Now, online training is available so anyone can benefit from this ancient healing practice, wherever they are in the world. If you're ready to experience Qigong for complete health and healing, start today. Just 15 minutes of daily practice can transform health and life itself. Visit TotalLifeEnergyPlan.com or check the link in the description to join the class.